You care about the environment and the future of the city? Please watch this short film. Manchester City Council has 96 elected members known as councillors. There are 32 wards with 3 councillors per ward. A councillor has to be re-elected every 4 years. Some have been around forever. Since May 2014, 95 of the 96 are Labour. The other one is half Labour. The next time councillors are elected is May 2015, on the same day as the general elections. There are 9 councillors, the executive, who have responsibility for running things. It's kind of like the cabinet at a national level, only slightly less public school. There are 6 scrutiny committees which are supposed to hold the executive's feet to the fire. They're supposed to ask awkward questions to those 9 executive members and also to officers. They're supposed to persist, even in the face of waffle and lousy answers. Those 6 scrutiny committees are Young People and Children, Neighbourhoods, which includes climate change, Economy, work, apprenticeships, etc., Communities, social cohesion, large events, Finance, council finances, council tax, etc., and Health, which includes public health. Manchester urgently needs a 7th Environmental Scrutiny Committee that looks at climate change, biodiversity, and how we prepare for the challenges ahead. Each of the 6 scrutiny committees meets roughly 10 times a year. These meetings are almost always at the town hall in the middle of a weekday. The 6 meetings are bunched together in one week. You can, if you hunt hard enough, get the agendas for the upcoming meetings a week in advance, or get them from Manchester Climate Monthly. You are allowed to attend. You do not need anyone's permission. You can't speak unless you've had permission from the chair. There'll be a separate video that goes into more depth about how each committee operates and where to get some information. For now, some unsolicited advice. Never go alone. It's soul-destroying and confusing and could put you off politics for life. Yes, there is free tea and coffee, and yes, you will be performing an important act of active citizenship, but never alone, unless you're an expert or a ninja. Second, never trust the official minutes to reflect what was agreed. If you care about the issue enough to have gone and tried to make your point, then you care enough to check the minutes said what was actually said. Thirdly, expect a lot of waffle from the bureaucrats. It's nothing personal, it's just how they roll. Like we said, Manchester urgently needs a 7th Environmental Scrutiny Committee that looks at climate change, biodiversity, and how we prepare for the challenges ahead.